The respiratory system and circulatory system work together to maintain homeostasis. After oxygen is inhaled through the nose and mouth cavities, where it's warmed and humidified, the air then moves into the pharynx, down the larynx, and into the trachea, also known as your windpipe. The trachea splits into two bronchi, one for each lung.
Inside the lungs, the bronchi divide into even smaller tubes called the bronchioles, which lead to tiny air sacs called the alveoli. The alveoli use surrounding blood vessels called the capillaries to assist the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen then moves into the blood, while carbon dioxide moves out of the air and waits to be exhaled.
The oxygenated blood is carried from the lungs to the heart through the pulmonary veins. The blood travels in this order: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. It first enters the right atrium, where deoxygenated blood is received from the superior vena cava. It then flows into the right ventricle, where it gets pumped into the pulmonary arteries, then being carried to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood endures a gas exchange.
The oxygenated blood travels back to the heart through the pulmonary veins, then into the left atrium. The left atrium pumps the blood into the left ventricle so that it can get pumped into the artery called the aorta. The aorta allows blood to flow into the rest of the body. The relationship between these two systems play a key role in cellular respiration.